My name is Sarah Angus. I'm the Director of Construction for the U.S. licensed store business. We build about 300 to 350 new stores a year, and we renovate 600 to 800 stores a year. Procore helps us mitigate risk. To lower some of the risk in projects, I can tell you I've worked for a general contractor and used Procore on the general contracting side. When I came to Starbucks, now I'm using it on the owner side. The way that general contractors use Procore is different fundamentally than the way that owners use Procore, and there's a huge benefit to having it on the owner side. You get to see the metrics that you need to see, not the ones that the GC wants you to see. If I don't have my own data for trend forecasting, it's dirty data. And so I need to be able to see what are some trends in the grocery business. What are trends with Target? What are trends with the travel business? So I think for us, it's being able to evaluate our budgets, being able to forecast our budgets, being able to forecast on a bigger scale and then more specific to channels so we can be, again, more efficient and also negotiate with our vendors. Getting the analytics around our trending on costs, and especially in today's world with the inflationary pressures that we're seeing. I mean, we're getting bids on things that I've never seen prices like this. And so being able to see that in analytics so that we can then help our licensees understand the why behind the what as we go through a financial journey with them. We want to keep costs as low as possible. And if we can start getting early trend lines there, warning our licensees, warning our business team, hey, we see some cost pressures here, so we need to be aware of that. Again, being able to forecast more succinctly and with data that we own, I'm really excited about that. Having your own access to your own data ensures that you're mining it appropriately and that you're getting the analytics out of it that you're looking for. To me, it's invaluable. We are delivering projects on behalf of a licensee. We're spending their money to open up a store. The product that I turn over to a licensee needs to be perfect, period, end of story. And so as I look at my different vendors, I can start looking at punch lists and how many items are on a punch list for different vendors. If I have a vendor that clearly there's trending that we keep having more, we're just not getting any better at punch list resolution, then it definitely feeds into the quarterly business reviews that I have with those vendors in order to say, hey, this is the bar. If you can't meet it, we got to wash you out. Again, very specific to projects, we're able to see what is going on a granular level. We call it the first sip moment. It's the, drinking their first cup of coffee of the day. I want that sort of feeling when we turn over a store, right? And again, if you're trying to drive development, Procore is going to allow you to really drive to an end product.